The Gothic novel, a distinctive genre of prose fiction, emerged as a significant literary form by the end of the 18th century, marking a departure from the conventions of the Enlightenment era. This genre was inaugurated by Horace Walpole's The Castle of Otranto, a Gothic story, 1764, often regarded as the first true Gothic novel. Walpole's work, unlike the sentimental domestic dramas of middle-class life epitomized by Oliver Goldsmith's The Vicar of Wakefield, 1766, ventured beyond the boundaries of rationalism and empiricism, foundational to the neoclassical age of reason. It introduced a world of epistemological uncertainty and imaginative excess, thus laying the groundwork for the Gothic tradition in fiction. The Enlightenment era, characterized by an emphasis on reason, scientific empiricism, and secular thought, fostered a society unified by common sense and rationality. Intellectuals of the time sought symmetry and order in art and life, favoring artifice over nature and restrained dignity over fervent enthusiasm. However, the Gothic novel arose as a striking incongruity within this rationalist framework, potentially as a reaction to the rigid constraints of Enlightenment ideals and the Protestant ethic prevalent in the era. The popularity of Walpole's pseudo-medieval tale heralded a new literary trend, embracing the supernatural, the irrational, and the macabre. The term Gothic originally referred to the Goths, a Germanic tribe, and later came to signify the medieval period. Gothic architecture, with its pointed arches, flying buttresses, and intricate designs, influenced the atmospheric settings of Gothic fiction. These novels often took place in remote, gloomy castles filled with dungeons, subterranean passages, and secret panels. Their narratives typically revolved around the sufferings of innocent heroines at the hands of cruel villains, interspersed with ghostly apparitions, mysterious disappearances, and supernatural events, frequently revealed to have rational explanations. The genre's primary aim was to evoke terror and suspense, exploring the irrational and nightmarish beneath the surface of civilized life. Notable works include Anne Radcliffe's The Mysteries of Udolpho, 1794, Matthew Gregory Lewis the Monk, 1796, and William Beckford's Vathek, 1786. Radcliffe's works exemplified a decorous approach to Gothic fiction, while Lewis the Monk delved into graphic depictions of horror, including themes of diabolism, incest, and murder. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, 1818, extended the Gothic tradition into the realm of experimental science, establishing a foundation for later science fiction. By the 19th century, the Gothic mode evolved to incorporate broader settings and themes. Writers like Jane Austen satirized the genre in Northanger Abbey, 1818, while others explored its psychological depths. The term Gothic began to encompass works that emphasized gloom, terror, and aberrant psychological states without necessarily adhering to medieval or exotic settings. Examples include William Godwin's Caleb Williams, 1794, Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights, and Charlotte Bronte's Jane Eyre. Elements of the Gothic are also evident in Charles Dickens' Bleak House and Great Expectations. Critics, particularly feminist scholars like Sandra Gilbert and Susan Gubar, The Madwoman in the Attic, 1979, have analyzed Gothic fiction as a reflection of suppressed female sexuality and a challenge to patriarchal norms. The genre has also flourished in American literature, with writers such as Edgar Allan Poe, William Faulkner, and Truman Capote contributing to its development. The Gothic tradition has left a lasting legacy, inspiring works of horror fiction by authors like H.P. Lovecraft and Stephen King, as well as popular novels like Daphne du Maurier's Rebecca, 1938. Its themes of terror, violence, and the uncanny have permeated film and other media, underscoring the enduring appeal of this imaginative, genre-defining mode of storytelling.